Hi, I'm your driving instructor. Welcome to another lesson on safe and responsible driving. Today we're going to focus on a crucial yet simple task, crossing an intersection on a divided highway. Whether you're an experienced driver or just starting, mastering this will help you stay safe and avoid costly fines. Understanding road rules is essential. A single mistake can lead to serious consequences. So let's make sure you know what to do in this situation. The task: imagine you're driving on a divided highway. There's a median separating the lanes of traffic. You approach an intersection and need to decide how to proceed. You have three options. Keep left of the median, go straight, and turn left. Keep right of the median. Before I reveal the correct answer, pause the video and write your choice in the comments. Got your answer? Great. Now let's analyze this task. Breaking it down. The key detail here is that we are on a divided highway. This means the road has a central median and traffic flows in opposite directions on either side. Unless there are signs, signals, or a police officer directing you otherwise, you must always keep right of the median when crossing the intersection. That means the correct answer is option 3, keep right of the median. Why is this important? Keeping right of the median ensures that you stay in your designated lane, preventing dangerous situations. If you were to keep left, you'd risk driving into oncoming traffic, an extremely hazardous mistake that could lead to an accident. Following this rule keeps traffic moving smoothly and safely. Ignoring it could result in serious collisions, fines, or even loss of driving privileges. Congratulations to everyone who chose the right answer. If you got it wrong, don't worry. Learning from mistakes is part of becoming a better driver. I'm your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel for more tips, lessons, and essential driving knowledge. Drive safely, follow the rules, and avoid fines. See you in the next lesson.